Okay, back to T5 blower unit not working. Well, this is the replacement unit I got for 100 quid off eBay. The bloody thing didn't work, did it? So make your own mind up about that. It had the same problem, nearly swore then, and that was that this wasn't clicking and just turning all the way around. Now it does turn and it clicks, and all these little metal gubbins inside are the contacts for these that are on the back. Now the important thing is this goes in there, and it's awkward to get out, but you have to prise it out. And once you've got this printed circuit board out as well, this printed circuit board prizes out by prizing these little nodules back there, and these buttons for the, I'm not sure what I've done with them, the air conditioning, them ones, they all pull off the top, and then you can lift this out. But on the back of this you have to be careful, because the contacts are there, 4 of them and 1 there, and that little one there, this little tiny bit there goes over there like that, and they go onto a contact unit through that hole there. So getting back to the problem, I fixed this now, but I didn't have a chance to video it when I was fixing it, but I'll give you the information that I'm aware of. Those little lugs down there, that side and the other side, they go into the cog on the other end of this unit, and tried getting them in without taking this unit out, but it didn't work, couldn't do it. So I had to take these springs out. So take them springs out carefully with a towel over your head, so the springs don't go ping and go all over the place. You know where they're going, and then you can put that knob in from the other end, and this is a spare one that come with the mess I got. Those cogs then fit into it, but you have to put it right way around, put it in the right way around, the right orientation, because it goes in 180, only 2 ways, 180 degrees and 180 degrees, but you need to make sure that you have it turned to the left, where the off position would be on your dial there. So all the way anti-clockwise until you get to a stop, and then put it in. So that all seems to work okay now, and I'm going to put a bit of tape over there, and hopefully the tolerances will let me get away with putting a bit of tape. There's 2 other little spaces here either side, little bits of plastic. I put them back in as well, little bits of plastic there and there, there and there, and I put them back in as well, so as the spring doesn't bend. And I'm going to put a bit of tape over the top as well, just to be sure. The other thing to be wary of is this all fell apart when I was taking it. You need to make sure you put these in the right way around. This one has got a stop on it, which is good, because it goes from cold and you twist it all the way around to hot, and that's good that you can do that, because it's got a stop. This one unfortunately doesn't have a stop on it, and I'm going to have a bit of trial and error on that. But if you get one of these, be careful and don't do what I did and take the whole thing apart. I think it might have been put in the wrong place anyway. This lug seems to be a stop, but I can't figure out where it goes. But this is a later one. Our camper van, the old unit, had the variations on here as well, the same as this. So they were around there. This one is saying, well, don't do that, because obviously it's got cables around the back of this that go in here in these slots that you see on another video, and they just get twisted and bent. The cable gets bent, and you see on another YouTube video that they've replaced them now with a solid core cable rather than a fibre woven type one. Okay, so what's the next video? I'll try and put it all back together. Good luck, but what a fiddly job.